Grace be with all those who love our Lord Jesus Christ with incorruptible love. Ephesians 6:24.
Hey guys, and welcome back to quoyasqurls. It's your girl Quoya here, and I am back with another video. I dyed my wig, y'all. This is OMG her hair. The first wig that I did a couple months back is still popping even after I bleached it and dyed it back to back. The curls still stayed in. Ooh, it's cute. And I did this the water method. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I did not video myself shampooing it or rinsing it. I just recorded myself dyeing the wig.
What?
So let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so I used 3 Adore Crimson Red hair dyes, some gloves, and I filled my tote up halfway with some warm water. Make sure you guys put on some gloves. You do not want to stain your hands. Now I'm going in with the Adore Red, and I'm going to pour it inside of the bucket of water, and I'm going to keep stirring it and stirring it. And I'm going to do this step until I get the color that I want. Make sure you're stirring enough to where you get the clumps out, because you don't want to have the clumps in the water while you're trying to dye your wig. You want to make sure that you are smoothing out all of the dye into the water, because you do not want clumps when you put your wig in there. Now here I am taking some toilet paper and dipping it in. I want to see how dark it was or how light it was, and it was light, so I added some more crimson red into the water, and I used all 3 bottles to get the color that I desired, because with just one bottle it's not gonna do nothing but tint my wig. I wanted it to show. I wanted the red to show through the hair, so I used all 3 bottles. Now this is what you want the water to look like. There are no clumps. All the dye is dissolved into the water. The water is the exact color that it should be. In the wig, well, you see her. She's honey blonde, no longer black. And she's ready to be dipped in some crimson red water. I bleached her the same night that I'm actually showing you guys me dyeing her. I did all this in the same night, and as you can see, the curls still stayed intact. The waves didn't fall, didn't nap up, didn't shed. It looks a little rough because I'm close up, but it came out just how I expected. And here I am putting the wig in the water, and the lightest parts dye the fastest, guys. So watch, as soon as I pull her up, that part that's light is red already. That's why it only needs about 5 minutes in the water, because the water is warm and it's going to dye pretty quick. And here I am shuffling and fumbling with this wig, because I thought that was the front, but as you can see, it's the back. So I'm just going to turn it all the way around once I find the lace part. And see what I mean by the part that's the reddest? Because it was the lightest. But it came out just how I like it. So here I am just squeezing the water out of the hair. And I'm just going to be doing that for a while. Then I'm going to put it on my mannequin, and I'm going to show you guys her up close. With all the bleaching and the dyeing in the same day, her curl pattern stayed the same. So OMG Her Hair is a trustworthy site to buy some wigs from, guys. So go ahead and get your wigs. As you can see her, this is up close and personal, in your face. She's still pretty. Alright, y'all. Let's get to the closing of this video.
You guys enjoyed this video, and I want to say before I close this video out, before I do all my like, comment, share and all that good stuff, I want to say that I am doing a giveaway. Yeah, all you have to do is just comment on this video. You guys will be entered into the giveaway. I will be randomly picking 2 winners on March 26th. I'm gonna pick 2 winners to win something. It may be some eyelashes, it may be some makeup, it may be some smell goods. Don't know yet. Comment something nice down below, or just share whatever you want to share. Just make sure you comment. That's how you enter the giveaway, and that's how you pick. That being said, this is Quoya Curls. It's your girl Quoya, and I am signing out. Bye.